Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you on how to share a document from WhatsApp. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, or any other file, sharing it with your contacts is quick and easy. Let's jump into this full guide. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. You can find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Go to the document you want to share and select it. You can find the document in your device's storage or within a chat. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots at the top right of the page. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 4. Tap Share. Here, you'll find the option to share the document with your contacts. Step 5. Select where you want to share it. Choose the contact or group you want to send the document to. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share any document from WhatsApp with ease. It's a convenient way to exchange important files or collaborate with others. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.